Start.
Good morning all of you. We, the students of class 8, are presenting an activity on direct and inverse variation. Here is coming Daksh to explain direct variation.
Two quantities x and y are said to be in direct variation if when the value of x increases, then the value of y also increases, and when the value of x decreases, then the value of y also decreases. In such a way that x1 upon y1 that is equals to x2 upon y2 that is equals to constant. Let me explain you with a simple activity.
Hi,
Hello Lalit.
I want my notebooks.
Yes, your first notebook.
How much I have to pay?
You have to pay 50 rupees. Thank you. A student bought 5 notebooks for 50 rupees.
I do.
I Dinesh.
I want two notebooks.
Yes, I want you to notebooks.
How much I have to pay?
You have to pay 20 rupees. Thank you. Second student bought election. I want 7 notebooks. Yes, 7 notebooks. How much I have to pay? You have to pay 70 rupees for this one. Thank you. Third student bought 7 notebooks. Now you can see that when the number of books increases, the cost will also increase. And when the number of books decreases, the cost will also decrease. Let me check out the result within the formula. That is x1 upon y1 is equals to x2 upon y2 is equals to x3 upon y3 that is equals to constant. Here x1 upon y1 is equals to 5 upon 50 and x2 upon y2 is equals to 2 upon 20 and x3 upon y3 is equals to 7 upon 70 and all are equal to 1 upon 10. That means our result is true. Let me tell more about the inverse proportion by color.
Start.
In inverse proportion, the two quantities x and y are in inverse proportion as if the value of one increases, the value of other decreases proportionally and vice versa. In inverse variation, x1 into y1 is equals to x2 into y2 which is equals to the constant. Let me understand more by a simple activity of a classroom. Now we see that how much time is taken by one student to move 3 benches. To move 3 benches is 18 seconds. Let me see for 2 students. Now, time taken by 2 students to complete the work is 9 seconds. Now, let me see for 3 students. Time taken by 3 students to complete the work is 6 seconds. Let me see the result. The result here x1 is equals to 18 and y1 is equals to 1. 18 into 1 is equals to 18. Here x2 into y2. Here x2 is equals to 9 and y2 is equals to 2 which is equals to 18. x3 into y3. Here x3 is equals to 6 and y3 is equals to 3. 6 into 3 is also equals to 18. Our result gets true. In inverse variation, when the number of students decreases, the time taken by students to complete the work also increases. When the number of students increases, the time taken by students to complete the work increases. When the number When the number of students increases, the time taken by students to complete the work decreases. Now, I hope that you all understand the concept of direct and inverse variation. Have a nice day.